In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refund in Xero, a comprehensive guide for 2025. Whether you're new to Xero or just need a refresher, this step-by-step walkthrough will help you efficiently process refunds through this platform. Let's start by creating a credit note, which is the first essential step. To do this, navigate to the business section on your Xero dashboard, and from there, click on Invoices. This is where you'll find all the necessary tools to manage your transactions. Once you're in the Invoices section, you'll want to click on the plus sign labeled New Credit Note. If you prefer, you can also achieve this by opening the original invoice, selecting Invoice Options, and then choosing Add Credit Note. Either option is viable, so choose the one that feels most intuitive to you. Now, let's dive into the details. For your credit note, you'll need to enter some specific information. First, specify the customer who will be receiving the refund. Next, detail the items or amounts that are being refunded, ensuring that this data reflects the original purchase. Don't forget to set the applicable tax rates for these items as well. Once this setup is complete, it's time to approve the credit note. Just hit the Approve button and you'll be all set to move to the next step. The subsequent step involves recording the refund payment. Begin by opening the credit note you just created, then click on Add Refund. Here, you'll need to specify the bank account from which the refund will be processed, along with the date and amount to be refunded. Be precise here to avoid any mismatches later on. After entering these details, simply hit Save, and you'll notice that the refund is now posted in your Xero records. Now, the final step is reconciling this transaction. When the bank transaction appears in the bank reconciliation section, your task will be to match it with the refund you've just processed. This ensures that your accounts are up to date and accurately reflect your financial activities. That's how you can manage refunds using Xero in 2025. Following each of these steps carefully will ensure that your refund process is smooth and accurately recorded. Remember, taking the time to input correct and detailed information at the start can save you a lot of time and hassle down the line when it comes to bank reconciliation and financial reporting. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification on specific steps, don't hesitate to revisit parts of this tutorial. Good luck and happy accounting!